Another day, another story. Hi, welcome to Digital Nextcode case study. Here's a case study on how Digital Nextcode helped Shim and Herm host their e-commerce website cheaper. Digital Nextcode is a hosting service provider that offers affordable hosting services for businesses of all sizes. One of their clients, Shim and Herm, is a small e-commerce business that was struggling to keep up with the costs of their previous hosting provider. They were looking for a more affordable solution that would allow them to save money while still providing a reliable hosting environment for their website. After researching various hosting providers, Shim and Herm decided to switch to Digital Nextcode due to their competitive pricing and positive reputation. Digital Nextcode was able to offer Shim and Herm a shared hosting plan that was significantly cheaper than the previous provider, without compromising on the quality of service. The migration process was seamless, with Digital Nextcode's team handling the transfer of all data and configurations from the previous provider to their hosting environment. Shim and Herm was able to focus on their business while Digital Nextcode took care of the technical aspects of the migration. Once the migration was complete, Shim and Herm noticed a significant reduction in their monthly hosting costs, allowing them to allocate more resources towards other areas of their business. They also noticed a noticeable improvement in website speed and uptime, as Digital Nextcode's hosting environment was able to handle their website traffic more efficiently. Shim and Herm was also impressed with Digital Nextcode's customer support, which was available 24/7 to address any issues or questions they had. The team was responsive, knowledgeable, and went above and beyond to ensure that Shim and Herm's hosting needs were met. In summary, by switching to Digital Nextcode, Shim and Herm was able to significantly reduce their hosting costs while still receiving a reliable hosting environment for their e-commerce website. Digital Nextcode's competitive pricing, quality service, and excellent customer support allowed Shim and Herm to save more and focus on growing their business. Thanks for your time. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe. It really helps us a lot on creating a great content. Thanks for watching.